In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use weighted average formula in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and setting up a simple worksheet. Before entering the formula, it helps to understand what a weighted average actually does. Unlike a regular average, where every number counts the same, a weighted average gives different levels of importance to each value. This is useful in many real-world situations, like calculating student grades, analyzing investment portfolios, reviewing sales performance, working with inventory pricing, or scoring survey results. For this example, imagine you have a table with 3 columns: subject, grade, and weight. The sample data includes math, with a grade of 90 and a weight of 30%, English with 85 and 20%, science with 95 and 25%, history with 80 and 15%, and PE with 110%. We'll assume the grades are in cells B2 through B6, and the weights are in cells C2 through C6. To calculate the weighted average, click into the cell where you want the result to appear and enter this formula. Equals sum, product open parenthesis B2 colon B6 comma C2 colon C6 close parenthesis divided by CM open parenthesis C2 colon C6 close parenthesis. This formula works in 3 parts. First, sum product multiplies each grade by its corresponding weight. Then it adds all of those weighted values together. Finally, dividing by the total of the weights gives you the weighted average. In this example, the result is 90.25. If your weights are percentages, make sure they are entered as actual percentage values in Excel, so the formula calculates correctly. Next, there's an additional Excel function shown here called mround. The example is equals mround open parenthesis 47,10 close parenthesis, which returns 50. This rounds a number to the nearest multiple of 10. While this is not part of the weighted average formula itself, it can be helpful if you want to round results for reporting or presentation. You can also use the same weighted average method for product pricing. For example, if you have products with prices in cells B18 through B20 and quantities in cells C18 through C20, use this formula. Equals sum product open parenthesis B18 colon B20, comma, C18 colon C20T close parenthesis, divided by CUM open parenthesis C18 colon C20 close parenthesis. This returns the weighted average price based on quantities sold, which gives a more accurate result than a simple average. That's how to use the weighted average formula in Excel. Once you understand the pattern, you can apply it to many different types of data quickly and accurately.